Hey guys, it's Kristen, your Younique Elite presenter, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Dip and Draw eyeliner. So this is a liquid eyeliner, and it is by Younique, and it is waterproof and smudge proof. We need that in our lives, right? So you can shake it. You hear it shakes a little bit in there, and you're just going to take it out of this little pot, and it has this precision brush tip that is going to make it so much easier for you to put on liquid eyeliner. So if you're scared of liquid liner, you're going to want to get this Dip and Draw because it is going to help you apply eyeliner so much easier. My favorite one is black, but we have black, purple, gray, a silver color. So you can choose even a green. You choose the color. If you need help with that, I can color match you based on your skin and eye color. Let's put a little bit of this Dip and Draw on so you guys can see how easy it works. Start on the outside and I draw a little line, and then I go back. Then I go back on the inside and I connect. So super easy. I don't use the liquid on the bottom. I only use it on the top. I may connect it a little bit in the corner, and then I'll go back in a pencil if I want to do a liner on the bottom. So Dip and Draw eyeliner, see how it accentuates your eyes from this side to this side. Definitely want to get one in your color. And if you need any help with color matching, again, I can help you with that. So this is the Younique Dip and Draw liquid eyeliner.